Hey babes, thank you so much for coming back and checking out my channel, and a big hello if this is the first time that you've seen my channel. Please go and press that free subscribe button. So I am going to be showing you today how you can create these two really lovely looking designs that are going to be real easy and real quick. So I'm going to be using these stickers. They are 24 sheets, and you get obviously quite a lot of stickers on each sheet as well. And you've got blue colour, black and gold, and all sorts of different designs going on, which I absolutely love. So the first design I'm going to be using this sheet here, and I will be putting all links and details in the bottom, in the description bar below. Do point out with this one, obviously you can see here, hopefully there's a few bits where the sort of blue's gone off it, so you will have to be a little bit careful with which sort of base colour that you apply it on, so it isn't dead obvious. So before I apply the stickers, I'm going to be using this Ejiubas stamping plate and this lacy image here. I'm going to be using the grey stamping polish, just because I didn't want it to be like centre stage, if that makes sense, but so I wanted like the black and the blue to stand out on the stamping images that I used. So for this one, I do go ahead and apply a matte top coat, because I did want the base to be matte, so it fully shows that sort of metallic look of the nail designs, of the stickers, sorry. So you have to be a little bit careful peeling these off, because they are delicate and you can easily rip them. So just excuse me while I work out how I'm going to place this. I'm kind of like making this design up as I go. I had like a rough idea of how I wanted it to look in my head, but I was kind of just going with it and how it looked on the nail. So I'm just patting it down and making sure it lies nice and flat, and doesn't that just look gorgeous? So on a different nail now, I'm getting this gorgeous butterfly. I absolutely love butterflies, and I love it in nail art as well, just because they are super, super pretty. So obviously these are self-adhesive, so you don't need to apply any glue or anything like that. If you are using a gel polish, I would make sure that you add like a no wipe top coat, or apply a normal gel top coat and wipe the tacky layer off. Just so the stickers will stick properly to the nail surface. So I decided to add these cute little flowers here in and around it. So I'm just going to pop some music on now while I finish off the rest of this design. So this is the end look. I didn't go ahead and apply another layer of top coat, because I wanted it to obviously be matte on the base and shiny on the top. And I've just quickly popped these stiletto nails on my hand, just so you can see what it would look like on your actual nails. So yeah, so I really hope that you like this one. So moving on to the next design now. I've already gone ahead and applied 2 coats of this Madame Glam Gel Polish. It's Not Only You and Me, and it's a stunning sort of like fuchsia pink. So I'm going for like an Indian Bollywood type of nail design. And what I love is that even though I'm using stickers from like, you know, like the same collection, or however you would phrase it, you can get 2 very different but equally stunning nail designs that are really not going to take you that much time at all. Obviously the only time consuming part is obviously prepping your nails for like a mani, and applying the gel polish, and everything else, especially with this one, because there's no stamping involved, it's just getting the stickers that you want and applying them to your nails. But like, I guarantee if you recreate this design, maybe you've got these stickers in your collection but never really used them because you didn't quite know what to do with them. If you put these on your nails on either way that I've showed you, you will get tons and tons of compliments because they're really stunning and striking, and it's going to make it look like you have spent a very long time creating the money. So I love sort of simple designs like that are really sort of eye-catching and sort of stunning. So again, I'm just going to put the music on while I finish off with this design.
That I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow, ended up just like before, so take it easy.
So this is the finished look, and I just love everything about it. I love the fact that it's different on every single nail, and with this one, obviously there's a lot more going on with it. And I am going to be going ahead and applying a glossy gel top coat, which you can do with these nail stickers, and it doesn't affect like the shiny metallic look. And as well, because it, like, you can see more with the sticker with this one, the gel top coat actually made like it less obvious that it was stickers, if that makes any sense. And yeah, I just think this is a stunning, striking look that will get many, many compliments. So if you do try and recreate any of these designs, I would love to see them. So please tag me in on Instagram at Gelulicious. And yeah, I would love to see if that's what you decide to do, or something similar. So that is it from me today. Hope you've enjoyed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.